My name is Mark Moore. I'm the Interim Chief Operating Officer here at the National Composites Centre, and I've been here for just over a year. I started in December 2015, and my role here is to make sure that our trading performance is in line with our budget, and I run all of our operations. The National Composites Centre is a research and technology organisation, and we work across many different sectors in the field of advanced composite materials. Here at the NCC, we employ just under 200 scientists and engineers working in the field of composite materials. Around a third of our income comes from government funding, but we work with a range of very large companies such as Airbus, Rolls-Royce, GKN and Kinetic, and we work with small and medium enterprises as well in innovation projects. The NCC is part of the UK's high-value manufacturing catapult. We have many customers on site with us at any one time, and indeed some of those customers are competitors of each other. So the whole area of confidentiality is really important to us. And when we have work going on in our workshops that we don't want people to see, then having a really good flexible screen system was important to us. The NCC brings industry and academia together. We provide world-class facilities, we've got fantastic people and industrial scale equipment. So we're able to do industrial scale innovation, pulling work through from academia and checking that it's ready for volume work in industry. We've been very happy and impressed with the service that's been provided, and certainly we would want you to compete for work with us in the future.
I started here about 3 years ago. I came on as a project administrator to help with the opening of our new extension, which we're currently sat in right now. That was a sort of 6-9 month project to close that out, and then moved into the procurement team for 3 or 4 months, worked in procurement for a while, and then moved back into sort of facilities and helping on other projects around the business from a facilities and IT perspective, because I used to work in IT before here. Now I help with all of the engineering capability acquisitions and building changes, help coordinate those for kit coming in and new projects, and both sort of temporary and permanent. So we needed some partitioning to help us with confidentiality on one of our projects in the workshop, and it was going to be quite tall because of our balcony that looks into that workshop, and quite a large sort of linear meterage of partitioning. McGregor Fabric Structures responded to the tender. We scored them against the other responders, and they won the scoring process, came out the highest marks, and were therefore awarded the contract. It allows easy access into the area for our large parts we're putting in there. It allows easy access for personnel. We've put access control on it. It allows them to get on with their work undisturbed, not worrying about the confidentiality aspect, not worrying about the security aspect of other members of staff or other visitors getting in there and seeing what's going on with their confidential work. So it's just provided a really a good area, fit for purpose, for them to do the engineering side of things and not worry about the confidentiality and security. The partitioning was delivered on time. It was installed as per the schedule promised in the tender responses. The installation staff were incredibly professional, safe, worked well on site and followed the site rules. Everything went according to plan, and any minor changes or amendments or things we hadn't foreseen were dealt with incredibly well by McGregor Fabric Structures. Overall, just very happy with the product and the lightweight solution that it's given us, and the ability to reuse it because it's completely modular, and when we're not using it, store it away easily, and in a very small footprint. So it's quite a unique solution from the other responses that we saw when we were looking for this kind of product.